Good morning kay Study Buddy. So sa video ito, pag-aaralan natin how to download POM-QM application. So punta lang tayo sa Google natin. So dapat meron tayong stable internet connection to download our application. Then type lang natin POM-QM. Okay, sa search. Okay. Then makikita nyo na dyan yung mga pagpipilian natin. So pili lang tayo dyan ng QM for Windows 5.2 download. This is free to download. So wala tong bayad. Then download 13 MB lang siya. So after natin i-download, so make sure nyo na stable yung ating internet connection. So after natin ma-download, try natin siyang install. So yes. Okay, then next. Okay, so pwede kang maglagay dyan ng pangalan mo. Next. Finish. Check natin kung working yung ating POM-QM. Okay, so ayan na po. Free yung ating POM-QM. So nandito yung mga pwede nating gamitin. So linear programming, okay. So network model, game theory, forecasting, etc. And even statistics and transportation model. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.